What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in for another video. We've made it to Pacific Raceways here in Kent, Washington for the NHRA Summit ET Finals. I'm on the scooter checking out the track. Tomorrow we have a test and tune day. Hopefully get 2 passes tomorrow. But this place is gorgeous. Check this out. Started down there at the finish line. We're cruising, checking out the track. We're at the top end of the track. Looking at the turnoff, hopefully, after you just saw a wind light. Check this out. Mount Rainier in the background. Place is absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, tomorrow is a test and tune day. We're hoping to get a couple of passes tomorrow. Friday is a gambler race, and Saturday is the team race, which is kind of my schedule of events. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and the cars are going to go really fast. Elevation is not anything near like Boise, what we're used to out at Firebird Raceway. We're only going to be about 1,000 feet, maybe at max corrected altitude, so cars are going to haul butt. We've jetted up a few jets, and yeah, we'll be ready to go. Excited to see what the car is going to run tomorrow. That's going to be the only pass that we get today. The track has a hard 5 p.m. curfew on weekdays, so with 650 cars on the property, they couldn't get through 2 rounds. So we're just going to roll with what we have into round 1 of the Gambler tomorrow morning. We made a couple of small changes. I had a little bit of a low fuel pressure issue when we put the bigger jets in the carb. I didn't even think to adjust the fuel pressure. It had dropped about 1 pound, and I noticed that on the line, but I just kept an eye on the gauge the whole way down the track to make sure it didn't drop too low. Otherwise I was gonna lift, but it looked okay. Got a little low towards 1,000 foot, but 10:18, so the cars are running good and fast down here. And yeah, we'll take what we have into round 1 tomorrow, and hopefully we can turn on some wind lights. into the big race tomorrow. We don't have the most consistent race car at the moment. But we will figure it out and do what we can tomorrow.
I like it. Just have fun with it.
New track.
Yeah.
Car definitely needs some work chassis wise to get it to 60 foot more consistent.
Right.
But we'll work with it.
Yeah.
We'll do our best.
Okay.
Going on a cruise. Show them what we're looking at. All right, guys, now that I've had a minute to sit down, get my frustrations out, kind of cool off a little bit, I'm obviously very disappointed to come this far and go out both rounds on both the Gambler and the team race. Especially the team race, I wanted to pitch in more for Team Firebird today, and hopefully we could still get it done, but I definitely wanted to do my part and I did not. But I'm not totally blaming the car because my lights have sucked all weekend, but the track is very good, and with the added power down here at this elevation, the car was just not leaving very well. I need an anti-roll bar so bad. But yeah, the car just gets all upset when it leaves. And to give you an example, the 60 foots that I've been dealing with so far, my first test pass was a 142 with a 2. Then I went down to a 1408 and then a 1466. So trying to dial with those 60 foot times is just super hard. So for round one of the team race, I dialed for it. Really, I thought, okay, the last pass it did a 146 with a 6. And then it goes out there and does a 139 with a 9. And yeah, I tried to bring in that 9.0 car as close as I could. I think I took the stripe by 13 thousandths or something like that and was still under by 2. So just almost impossible, especially at an event like this, to be competitive with 60 foots like that. It's yeah, car just wasn't really consistent, and neither was I on the tree. So it was just all around kind of a frustrating deal. But we'll chalk it up as a learning experience. Every round win for a teammate is a point towards the team race championship. So right now, I think they said we're tied for with Walla Walla at like 50 some points or 50 round wins or something like that. So now I'm just going to go be a cheerleader, be a teammate, and root everybody on that's still in, and hopefully we can bring home this team championship. What we got going on?
We got Zach going up. Vic's got the bye.
Could have 2 Firebirds in the final.
2 Firebirds. That's what we want. 2 Firebirds.
guys, that's gonna finish up this video. If you would, drop a like, leave a comment. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching, liking, subscribing, following along. Season's not quite over and we still have some fun racing coming up. So until then, you guys take it easy and we'll catch you in the next video.